So very briefly, this article highlights why and how virtual reality can benefit organizational research. Um, so we did several studies looking at different kinds of ways to conduct vignette studies, which have been for decades now been a staple for organizational scholars to conduct experiments online, particularly using these scenarios, descriptions of an organizational setting, perhaps an charismatic leader that you have to envision
Mhm.
having a conversation with, being supervised by maybe an organizational setting of an HR practice like we have done. And well, again, traditionally, those are text-based, and we compared that with the effectiveness of turning that text into a script that could be played as a video, and also more importantly, what happens when we import that video onto a virtual reality headset and put participants really in the organizational space, in the entire environment, basically surrounding them. In our case, a boardroom. And then we empirically show how that leads to greater effect sizes on the one hand, potentially less distractions, um, and generally also just a more ecologically valid way to measure organizational behavior.